If life insurance is something that you have been thinking about and you keep putting it on the back burner, then this video is for you today, okay? Um, what I'm going to do is explain exactly what life insurance is, some of the misconceptions about it being complicated to understand or maybe too expensive. I'm also going to cover why waiting too long is just not a good idea, okay? By the time you're done with this, give me 7 minutes. By the time we're done with this video, you'll have a better understanding on whether it's a good time for you to get life insurance and how it can help you in your future. But before we get into that, do me a favor, grab my guide, Life Insurance Made Simple, what you need to know before you buy, okay? It'll break down all the different types of policies for you. So just shoot me a DM and put life in there. I'll know exactly what you mean, or you can comment below and let me know that you want it. But for those of you who don't know who I am, my name's Farah Beaudelet. I'm your favorite financial services professional. And in my videos, you'll learn how I've helped various women, business owners, families to protect their future, guarantee that their income grows for them yearly and it's fully protected. And the biggest thing that I'm proud of is the fact that they're able to lay their head down at night and just get a better sound sleep around their financial future. So let's get into it. Let's talk about life insurance. This is something that people avoid probably more than going to the dentist. So anyways, let's hop on into it. Life insurance is simple. It's a contract between you and a life insurance company stating that as long as you make the premium payments each month for your policy, that life insurance company has to pay out a death benefit to your family or whatever charity that you might like, whoever you would like that beneficiary to be. It's that simple. But I want to make it clear, it's a contract. So that premium, like I stated before, that's what you pay on a monthly basis. If you fault on that, the company doesn't have any obligation to pay. Now, when you think about life insurance, I hope you think of it like a safety net, okay? And what it's going to do is it's going to brace, break the fall from you not being here. Your family will absolutely, probably hurt when you leave, when you pass on. They're that emotional part, that healing that takes time. But financially, they might still need your help, and that's what life insurance does. Okay, you want to think about this for you. I don't know what your situation might be. For me, I'm a mom. Okay, and I stay home. I work. I work from home, but for us, there's about 97 hours, I think, a week that a stay-at-home mother is working, providing for the family, doing the grocery shopping, taking the kids to and from school, making those meals, being here to watch them, which is a beautiful thing. But although it doesn't come with a price tag, if somebody had to do what I do on a daily, if my husband had to, get somebody in here to pick up the kids, make meals, it would cost a lot. So my income needs to be replaced. He goes out, he works, makes a great living for us. If he is no longer here, we need to be able to pick up the pieces financially. That hurt, that emotional, that healing, that type of thing, that takes a while, but we still need to be able to afford for us to live. Just like for you, you hear about it all the time, person goes out, gets in a car accident, doesn't have coverage. What happens to that family? Have you ever thought about that? What happens to their livelihood? How do they pick up the pieces? Life insurance does that. As far as it being something, I think the biggest thing that I hear is I'm too young for it. I'm healthy now. I don't really need life insurance. And that couldn't be further from the truth. If you are like me, like I said, a stay-at-home mom, or if you're out there working every day, you're hustling, if you are, a business owner, if you are, a young professional, you need life insurance. If you're even single without children, you still need life insurance. Just think, you may not have children, but you still have financial obligations. You still have a family that you leave behind. You still need to be laid to rest. All of those things need to be taken care of. Your family has to take care of that. So that's important. Also, I want you to realize that with certain types of policies, while you're paying those premiums, there is a cash value that's building that always grows year after year. Uninterrupted compound interest that you have access to. Take that vacation, go buy that new car. There are so many different things that you're able to do with life insurance that people don't actually know exists. I don't want to get into high cash value life insurance and all the benefits of it today. I just want to impress upon you that there is not a person out there that really doesn't need coverage. Whatever type of coverage that is, will be determined by you and your financial professional, but getting something in place helps to prevent that financial downfall, okay? Here are some misconceptions. When you look at the price of coverage, that is based upon you, your health, your height, your weight, the medications that you're taking. It is based solely upon you. So the younger you are, the healthier you are, the less expensive it is. Life insurance is done through, actuaries that are looking at groups of people and on the average, how long does this person, live, so on and so forth. So I want you to be very, very careful when you hear somebody say that life insurance is on sale, because that's couldn't be further from the truth. It's based upon who you are and your health. Another thing, so to get back to that, the younger you are, the less expensive, okay? And also think too that we're not guaranteed anything, right? We could be healthy today, but tomorrow, we might start feeling bad, a breast cancer diagnosis or a kidney issue or whatnot. So life insurance, when it's in place, when we're healthy, it's a better situation. And like I had mentioned before, you are building a financial foundation for you that's rock solid with policies that do build that cash value. It's great to have in place because it does help down the road. And if you want to learn more about that, of course, go ahead and like this video. And follow me, subscribe, so I can teach you about that and give you a little bit more information about how those types of policies work. I hope this kind of gives you a better idea on, who needs life insurance, okay? If you have deeper questions and you want to know about different policies, go on ahead and grab that guide that I mentioned earlier. Shoot me a DM and just put life or comment below, and we can go through what might be the best situation for you. And if this was helpful at all for you today and you know someone that might need it, go on ahead and share it out for me. And I really appreciate you taking the time to listen to this video today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.